of the best test drives ever, honestly.
Steer horns, though.
The horns, dude, unbelievable. Look at those things. All right, guys, I don't know if you can see behind me or not. We got the Badillac in tow. We're gonna be doing something kind of funny today, I think. So you saw we replaced all those front end components on the Badillac. This sucker needs an alignment before we take it down to Florida for Cletus and cars. So Kyle and I have a friend, Corey, he works at a Chevy dealership, and we figured, hey, we're gonna go pay him a little visit today with the Badillac and, you know, see how it's received there at the dealership as a whole. So I think Corey's gonna think it's pretty funny. I don't know how the rest of the people there are gonna find this. Maybe they're gonna be a little scared, a little surprised. Maybe they're gonna be shocked. I don't know, but we're gonna see. So we don't have an appointment or anything. We kind of said something to Corey ahead of time, so he just said show up about 2:30. So Kyle's gonna meet me at this gas station across from the dealership. We're gonna unload the Cadillac or the Badillac and just show up, pull up to the door, say let us in. So we'll see how this goes. I think it's gonna be pretty funny though. I think everyone will like it. I mean, what's not to like? Also, felt I should mention there's record-breaking winds today. That should be expected, as, I mean, if I'm filming, there's always winds, so we're gonna do our best to keep the wind noise to a minimum, but please be aware, if there's wind noise, I do apologize. Wish I could control the weather. I really do. Really wish I could, but I can't. I'll try. I don't think I can, but I will try. There's the dealer. We're literally right across the street. Kyle's right here. I think he's unstrapping already. Let's go get his opinion. Again, guys, really apologize for the wind. I'm going to try my best to cover it up. What do you think about...
What do you think about this wind?
Oh, it's so bad. It's so bad.
Maybe it's better over here. Oh, yeah, right here is about good, you know?
Did you like my strap job?
I mean, it worked.
Yeah.
It worked. Man, what are we doing?
We're getting in alignment. I already told the people a little bit about what we're doing here. So I said Corey's going to be aligning it.
Man,
and
you didn't have to make an appointment, Corey, so we could just pull in.
Yeah.
Not tell anybody.
Yeah. So he kind of knows what to expect. The rest of the people there, they're in probably for the surprise of their dealership career, I feel.
Oh, for sure. And the steer horns are on, and man, this thing looks good. I can't wait.
All right, let's get this thing unloaded and then cruise over there. All right. For this?
Yeah.
The power steering pump definitely needs to be changed in this.
But we can change that here soon. The entrance is on the other side of the building, so
I figure we just cruise in front, you know, take a look at some of the new units they got out front. Maybe they got something comparable to this for sale.
yeah, a new model.
Look at that dude, look at he's looking already.
You know, Corey's base right there. You know he's walking in, you're like, dude, there is something coming.
All right, we're gonna pull up to the door. Hopefully the lane's empty. They're either gonna love it or hate it. I don't know. We'll see.
That one. No, this one. Where's that going?
Yeah, it should be.
Do I have to be concerned about the U-joint straps on the floor, or just ignore that?
Yeah, don't worry about that. It's optional. All right, we got Corey here, ace alignment. Go ahead, flip that switch. Don't worry about that. That's where it needs to be. Got a little toggle switch down there, that one. Yep.
Push button?
Yep. Yeah. Oh, right there, my man. Right there. That went about how I figured it was going to go. A lot of confusion, a lot of smiling. I think it was great.
Oh, yeah.
So how you feel about this unit?
Not sure yet. A little bit nervous, a little intimidating looking at her. See if we can get her in suspect though.
It's the horns out. I mean, that's the point of those things. When you come down the road, you're just like, watch out.
Watch out.
How close do you think where our alignment is? You know, we did an expert measurement job when we put this front end together. How close do you think it is?
It's not close. There's no way. Oh, it's not bad.
Whoops. I mean, the steering wheel's not straight, but I told us it wasn't far off. Camber's not too bad.
Toe's not bad.
No, toe's pretty close once you get it actually straightened out. Gotta measure caster still. You know, you don't want her drifting down the highway or
No.
anything like that. You don't want any any kind of that.
No.
It is getting road legal, so.
Yeah, we're gonna, you know, it's got a trailer hitch on it, dude. Like, you know, yeah, that's right.
It's Silver Lake. We're just gonna drive out on Silver Lake.
Dune ready.
All right, Corey got the toe set on this thing. The camber's a little bit out, so it was saying you had to do some frame modification to use the cam bolts and stuff like that. This just had regular bolts in it, so
Yeah,
I do remember, like, I thought the holes in the frame were indexed. Yeah, were slotted a little bit. So I'm hoping we can just loosen those up, or Corey can loosen those up, because this is his job. He's getting paid the big bucks to do this. And then it's out of degree, so I'm hoping that it might be enough to just get that degree back, and sucker will be good to go. Yeah, because, I mean, this thing's going to be seeing a lot of street duty, a lot of miles, you know what I mean?
Yeah, I mean, it's got to drive across the state.
Yeah, we got big plans for this thing. Big plans. So Corey's getting some tools right now.
You're driving this to Florida, right?
I'm just
Yeah, we were gonna put my truck and the two side by sides on the gooseneck and tow it with this. That was
I don't know about that one.
horns are leading the way. All right, alignment's done. Time to do a little test drive on this unit. I think we're gonna have Corey do it. Yeah, it's fine. I mean, it's totally legal. Man, the first time this thing gets driven on the road and Corey's doing it, dude. What a lucky guy.
I trust him. I trust him.
You got a Grand Prix, big Grand Prix guy. You got to trust him.
Grand Prix GA.
I think you should do a burnout. You don't want burnout
Yeah, a little bit. What was that? Pull that speed back up again. This thing rides so good, honestly. Look at that, 58, just cruising. What'd you say?
We're just out in Grandma's Cadillac. Out to church, out to church.
That checks out. This might be one of the best test drives ever, honestly.
Steer horns, though.
The horns, dude, unbelievable. Look at those things. What a great day. What a great day, honestly.
Yeah. Imagine what everybody is seeing as they're coming at us.
Man, we were gonna keep going, but then Corey, of all people, is like, how much gas is in this? And I'm like, man, probably not much.
Probably should be worried about that.
This thing honestly drives so good. I mean,
I'm shocked.
he noticed the bad power steering pump, but he said outside of that, you think it's good?
That was great.
Yeah. What a great car. You throttle jockey it a little bit.
It's snowing.
Great time, guys. I mean, it pretty much went exactly how I expected. There were some people that were alarmed. Pretty much the entire dealership staff just came and looked at the car, which was super cool. A lot of people took pictures of it, which was awesome. And everyone smiled. Corey got to drive it. I think he liked it. I mean, Corey, man, a few words at points. He was just experiencing it. So I think it was a great day. What do you think?
Oh, yeah. I mean, the reaction is the best.
Yeah.
Everybody came out of every office and just came right out and looked at it. Like, what is that? What is that? And then they didn't really want to do the alignment. Well, Corey was down to do the alignment.
Yeah, they were a little shook in the service department when it rolled in.
I think they were shocked.
Yeah, beyond shocked, probably.
They probably saw the horns.
Well, yeah, I mean,
Instant intimidation.
Yeah, that's a big wow factor there for sure. But man, best part about this drives so good going down the road. It is hard to believe how good it drives. Needs a power steering pump, whatever. But it went down the road straight. And it's quiet. The tires don't even have wheel weights on them because I got told that they were calling for a pound of weight on each tire. So the tire place wouldn't balance them. So I might just get balancing beads for it. But it didn't even shake without weights on the tires. I mean,
I drove like Cadillac.
It drove like a Cadillac. Truer words have never been spoken. So, man, what a good day. We're going to load this thing up on the trailer. We're heading to Kyle's house next. We're going to build an exhaust for this thing to, again, just take this thing to the extreme. We gotta go all out in all aspects of this thing. So, the look is there. The sound is kind of there. The sound is going to be up here when we're done with this thing. So, a few other things we're going to have to work on this. A few other things we're going to have to do to get ready for Cletus and Cars. And, man, it was a great day here. Super good day. So, appreciate you guys tuning in. Thanks for everything you do. Buying parts, Patreon subscription, just watching the videos. That's all a big help. So, I'm just excited to work on this thing. Just getting to go down the road in it after all the work we've done to it, for me, was just very fulfilling. So it's kind of like light at the end of the tunnel. You can see how all your hard work has come together and has made it, made it so you can accomplish this goal. I'm just happy. So, yeah, we'll see you guys in a couple days. Till next time.